After seeing the planters that I recently made, my fiance, who loves playing Super Mario games, asked me if I could make her a planter inspired by the game. So today, we're designing and making a piranha planter with a PRUSA 3D printer. To design this project, I used a software called Rhinoceros and came up with a very simple process. I started by drawing a 4-inch diameter circle, offsetting the line 3/8 of an inch for the top of the pipe, and giving them a 1/16 inch thickness. The rest of the process was extruding each shape and using the Boolean union function to combine them. To design the piranha plant at the top of the pipe, I drew a sphere, cut it slightly below the midpoint, extruded a triangle shape that was embedded within the sphere, and used the Boolean difference tool to create the mouth of the piranha plant. I extruded a 1/16 inch thick wall around the base of the semi-sphere so that the piranha plant could sit on top of the indented area of the pipe. I imported the models into PRUSA's slicing software, set up my time-lapse feature, used the speed setting, and the print times came out to roughly 10 hours for the pipe and 4 hours for the piranha plant. I plugged the SD card into my PRUSA 3D printer and started the printing process. Once the print was complete, I removed the planter and piranha plant from the metal sheet and placed it on my table. I brought over my snake plant and transferred it into a standard drainage planter. I placed the snake plant inside the pipe and slowly guided each of its leaves through the mouth of the piranha plant. With that, the piranha planter that was inspired by Super Mario is complete. If you enjoyed this video, share it with a friend. I'll see you again next week.